Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you this one Windows setting that you need to turn off. We'll go to Control Panel, then we'll do View by Large Icons, then we'll go to Power Options. Then from the left side, left top corner, we'll choose what the power buttons do this setting. And here when you will be here, you will see fast startup option alongside sleep and lock. I have disabled it and I've removed it completely from my system, so it's not visible here, but in your system it will be showing here. And to disable that, you need to click here, and you will untick that like this. Click on that and then click on save changes. Okay, so let's discuss what actually is fast startup and why I am suggesting to disable it. As the name explains, when fast startup is enabled, your PC boots up quickly. Now you might be thinking, if your PC is booting quickly with the help of fast startup, then why to disable it? What's the harm? So let me explain what is actually happening behind and why fast startup will cause problem in your system. So, when we shut down our system, when we turn off and fast startup is enabled, so the system is not shutting down, it goes into hibernation. And because of this, your system can face issues like USB device is not working properly, system update issues, and some random other issues you can face. And this is bound to happen because every time you shut down your PC, it's just not shutting down, it's going into hibernation. What I mean by hibernation means whatever is in your RAM, the system copies that into your hard drive or into your SSD, and the next time when you start your system, it loads back. So you might be thinking, like, when you're starting your PC, everything is not being initialized properly from the start. In a way, your PC just resumes whenever you start. So it's most likely it will cause problem. So if you don't want to compromise with stability, then you need to turn this thing off, I would suggest, for max stability, because it's likely it will cause problem with your devices or with your system updates. Because what we are getting, we are saving with fast startup, we are saving 10-20 seconds maybe, but now we have SSDs, NVMe is very fast, so your PC is not gonna take much longer anyway. So I would suggest you turn this off.